me something, it might just take the pain away. Now I'm looking in your eyes, but I'm wandering too.
Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Thank you guys so much for coming in for another video. Thank you so much for watching, and of course I am always happy to sit here and bring you guys videos every single week. Could be a Wednesday, could be a Sunday. As long as your notifications are turned on, you will be notified every time I upload a video. This is a beauty and skincare channel. I share lots of skincare things with you guys on this channel. However, I am very curious to know if some of you have already started your skincare journey. What have you been using? What's working for you? What's not working for you, etc. Just comment below and let me know. And every once in a while, I love to look back at my old videos and compare my skin to what it is today. And I'm like, oh my God, my skin was in such poor condition, especially when I started my YouTube channel. Because, you know, you want to be able to follow the trend and do your makeup videos and all of these things. But my skin was suffering. My skin was in such poor condition. I really wasn't taking care of my skin until I realized, listen, I've got problems, okay? And I need to solve these problems ASAP. And so everything that I've used on my skin to clear my skin up, to brighten my skin and all of those things, I've shared with you guys on this channel. My website, sassyover55.com, is a backup to my YouTube channel. Loads of information on there as well. And I've done so many demos and I share every single product with you guys that I have used, and masking and derma wand and face massage and steaming, the whole bit. Everything really helps, but I also think consistency is also the key. In any case, I have a little haul for you guys today, and I really hope you guys are going to be picking up on some of these things because they are amazing, very inexpensive. Okay, we're just going to get started. So we are going to start with the Maybelline 24-Hour Hybrid Powder Foundation. I went down a shade. And you guys remember I had done a demonstration on the one that I had previously, which was 355. The 355 did work. It was just a little bit too dark for my skin. And I said to you guys I was going to go down a shade. And I haven't used it yet. But when I put them both together, you can see the difference in the shade. This is the 355. This is the 340. And this 355 was a little bit red for my skin. But I feel like this is probably going to be a better shade. I'm going to be definitely be using the 355. More so in the fall, winter, but not for the summer season, because, you know, sometimes when you sweat or you have oils come through your face, your skin gets a little bit darker. But this is a lovely foundation, completely modified my skin. Beautiful, beautiful foundation. But I do have the 340, and I think this is a perfect shade for my skin, and I'm looking forward to doing this. And I think maybe if not the next video, the video after, I'm going to be demonstrating that one for you guys. But I'm really excited. When I saw the 340, I thought, yay, this is definitely my shade. And so I do have this little eyeshadow palette. This is from Revolution. This is the mini color reloaded palette from Revolution, and this I think is the Heartbreaker pink. And I just love these colors. I mean, you have 6 colors in here. Very, very easy to travel with. You just hold this in your hand, throw this in your pocketbook, throw this in your purse, put this in your carry-on. It is so, so beautiful. I love the gorgeous pinks. You do have, you know, a shimmer or two in there. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think they're all slightly shimmer colors. Let me just open this up. Let me just see if I can get this open up quickly for you guys. And here we go. And I think you do have maybe one, the one that says R, which is just right to the corner here. This is the matte color, and the rest are all shimmers. I think slight shimmers. This gold color is a little bit more of a shimmer color than anything else. I don't want to put my fingers in it because it, you know, swatching, I'm not good at swatching, okay? But the colors are quite nice, and I'm going to be definitely be doing a makeup look with this palette for you guys. Very, very cute. I can take this one palette on holiday and do multiple looks. A one eyeshadow palette, do 2 colors, little shimmer on the lid, use this dark deep purple for the corners. You can really go crazy with it. 6 colors, but it's quite beautiful. And this is from Revolution. This is the mini Heartbreaker palette. Very, very pretty, nice pink color. So next I do have this setting spray. This is from Core Beauty and I got this from Shoppers Drug Mart. And of course, if you live in Canada, you can find this at Shoppers Drug Mart. It is pink. It is very girly. I do have this on my face today. This is a Seal and Set setting spray. Love this. It's a beautiful pink bottle. Hope you guys can see that. Okay. There we go. And again, if you're traveling, this goes into your travel bag and your eyeshadows, and that's all you need. Okay, a couple of lipsticks, some lip gloss, your eyeshadow palette, your setting spray, a couple of brushes, and you're good to go. Gone are the days when you're going on holidays and you're packing your makeup, you have to take a separate suitcase for all of your makeup. Who does that? Nobody does that anymore. Nobody. Okay. Keep it light, very, very simple. Throw this in your handbag, in your pocketbook, on the plane, and you're good to go. Amazing. And I love the fact that this is so tiny. Again, you can travel with that. I can just throw in my powder, eyeshadow palette, setting spray, and again, like I said, a couple of lipstick, and you're good. You don't really need to pack like a whole separate suitcase of makeup. Okay, there we go. So next I do have this product here from Biore. Oh my God, you guys remember this? And I still have the peel off mask for the nose. It still works, okay? So this is the Biore Clean Detox Toner. It has 2% glycolic acid, green tea extract, willow bark extract, okay? This really helps to detoxify the skin, deep clean, and help to exfoliate as well. And it smells really, really nice. It's very, very, very lovely. It feels nice and cool on the skin. Very, very, very light scent. Absolutely love that. And I've been using this for the last maybe 3 or 4 days. Beautiful. There we go. From Biore. This brand's been around for a very long time. So next I do have this product here. This is from the dollar store, guys. This is from the dollar store, okay? This is from Spascriptions, and I showed you guys the other day the set of 3 clay masks that I repurchased from this brand, from the dollar store. Love it. I mask my face every week, okay? And from Spascriptions, this is a Tumeric exfoliating face scrub, and this smells like passion fruit. All you have to do, put a little bit of this on your face, and you can barely feel the beads in here, because normally I don't like to use scrubs on my face that has a lot of beading in the product, but you can barely feel this one, and you massage this all over your face. You can leave this on for at least 5 minutes if you want, or while you're in the shower you can massage this all over your face for at least a couple of minutes, and then you rinse this off, and this smells like passion fruit. It's just like you just want to lick this thing, and please don't lick it, okay? But it smells really nice. And of course, when you wipe this off your face or you rinse this off, I'm gonna tell you something. Your skin feels so soft. Oh my God, if you can just touch my hands right now, if you can just reach your hands through my camera and touch my hands right now, my skin feels so soft. Again, from the dollar store, Spascriptions, this is a turmeric exfoliating face scrubs. And I think sometimes when people think of turmeric, it's going to leave your skin yellow. No, it won't, okay? Get this from the dollar store. And also from the dollar store, from Spascriptions, this is the exfoliating lip scrub. You would have seen this on Instagram already. You would have probably also seen maybe this on Instagram, I'm not quite sure. But again, from Spascriptions, this is exfoliating lip scrub, and one of them is the peach and the other one is strawberries. Okay, let me open this quickly to show you guys. This is already, I think, on it might be on Twitter, if I'm not quite sure, but you will also find these on my website. And here they are. Okay, there are 2 of them. This one here is the peach scented one. Give me a minute. 1 second. Oh my God. Oh my God. This smells so good. There you go. This is the peach one right here. And the other one, here it is. Okay. And this one is just strawberry. Okay. Oh my Lord. It smells delicious. You just want to stick your tongue in here and lick the whole thing, but please don't do that. Smells really nice. It is lovely. So it's not just about looking after your face. You have to exfoliate your lips as well. It comes in a pack of 2. And it comes like this in this little package, okay? And this is from the dollar store, and it's from the Spascriptions brand. And I'm telling you something, ladies and gentlemen, again, you don't have to spend a lot of money to achieve beautiful skin from Spascriptions. And there we go, both of these. Really, really, really good. And so I think the last thing I'm going to show you guys is this lip gloss. And I got this from the dollar store. You guys would have seen this on my Instagram page as well. And it's shaped like a candy. Isn't that cute? So I'm just going to open this quickly for you guys. Let me just see if I can rip this package open and show you. And I mean, when I picked this up from the dollar store, I thought, oh my God, I want to open this right now, but I want to open this on camera for you guys. It looks like little candy packaging. I mean, isn't that cute? Now, I have no idea how to open this thing, but let me just see. Maybe you just have to pull. Oops. Ah, there it is. Okay. So you just have to pull the top off. Oh, it smells like mint. And there it is. It's a lip gloss. Just going to put a little bit on my hand. It's lip gloss. You probably won't be able to see it. But isn't this the cutest little thing you've ever seen? Okay, 2 of them from the dollar store. They're lip glosses. You can give these as gifts if you want. You can put these as a giveaway. They are really, really cute. And when I saw these, I thought to myself, I must have these. I absolutely must have these. Okay, you have a purple one, and this one is blue. Let me just see how this one smells. Oh, this one smells like, it smells like grape. Okay, just snap the cover together. And this one smells like a minty flavor. And it is so cute. Look at that. I mean, this is just so pretty. From the dollar store, guys, from the dollar store, okay? And again, just very generic packaging right here. It is just so cute. I was dying to open these when I got them. I thought, no, just hold on, Odette, just hold on. Open these in cameras for your peoples, okay? It just, I swear to God, I was desperate to open these. And again, very easy to open. You just have to open from the top. And the package just shapes like a candy. It does not twist or anything. Just put your finger in and just put this on your lips. It's just really, really, really cute. Look at that. Amazing. Anyhow, so my loves, these are all the things that I wanted to show you guys in this haul today. I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you. And I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Sound off in the description box. Let me know what your favorite things are. And again, guys, if you try some of these things from the dollar store, you will not regret it because I've demonstrated some of these things for you guys already. I'm going to be demonstrating this facial scrub for you as well as the lip scrubs. It's going to be coming up in another video. And I'm also going to be using these cute candy lip glosses. They're so cute. They're so absolutely adorable. Very girly. Again, for gift giving. You know, whatever you want to do, just leave them on top of your vanity in your guest bedroom. It's just really cute. Okay, my lovelies, thank you guys so much for watching. We are going to leave it here for today. I'm happy you guys made it to the end of this video. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!